Yeah, that is ugly, guys. It's ugly. So all I can basically do is try to put another bottom plate down through here, make sure the studs are solid down to that. I'm gonna cut somehow or another. We're thinking about cutting some of them 2x4s back enough so we can put a 1x4 in there to strengthen up that outside wall. Fortunately for him, we are putting a roof over this. One way or the other, bottom plate and that flooring need to go. You just want to go until they're solid. So when you take that outside off, nothing goes down. Locking it all in. Now we can work on that outside without worrying about anything falling. Paul and I are going to get to work. You can see I already relieved some pressure because you can see above it. But part of the reason why you can see above it is because that top plate is rotten all the way across there. So we're going to replace the top plate. We're going to replace the bottom plate. Come in later and do the floor. So let's go to work on the outside now. Paul just opened up a dungeon. Oh, look, they have already been working on the inside there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
They got a lot of work that has to be done here.
Who taught me?
I did.
Okay.
I taught you.
That's it.
I taught you, friend. I agree with that. I taught you too good, Paul.
Yeah, right? You the one done.
I know. Oh, flooring there. Oh yeah, she's bad. Oh, the band itself isn't though, just the flooring, obviously. Oh, this is all a closet. Big closet right here, guys. Big closet. Just remember, a lot of this work will be done from the inside. We need to secure the exterior wall, right? So we need to make sure that our band is in decent shape. Not perfect, but decent. If it has to be replaced, you can also replace that band. %, guys, that's what you need. You're not going to make it perfect. Just keep going, just the way you're going. Just the way you're going, guys, I'm telling you. Keep going. We're going to go ahead and fill this in, then we're going to fill another one in right across the whole top of it. We're just trying to tie everything together. Trying to get the top plate out across here, and it is a bear. Any place you take apart one of these, you're gonna want to clean it up and reattach it when you're finished. Keep on cutting until you get it out. 62 3/4.
That was that drill.
Yes, sir. Beautiful. Vapor barrier goes to the inside, guys. So much better than fighting with it. Huh? See, it can be done. Check that out. It can be done. It's made of wood. You can fix it. I don't care.
Yeah.
No. No, I didn't do bad. It came out pretty good. Got our fern strips on. This thing is ready for metal, Paul. Well, let's take a quick break and we'll get back on it. Got it all tore apart, framed in, re-insulated, new strapping, ready for metal. Stick around. Second. I'm gonna have to basically hold everything from here, and you're just gonna line it up with the
Yep, put the bottom in first.
bottom.
Yep.
Thought you start at the top,
No.
but
No, bottom be better. Come on. Come on. Come on.
then we need to slide it up, see,
Yep.
to match the bottom.
Yep.
Hold on, hold on,
Get me ready.
hold up. Now I'm ready now. Do anything you want to. I think you're there.
I'm good.
I think you're there.
Good.
Oh, you need to put a screw somewhere right
I
here.
gotta hold it. You put screw in it.
Don't move it.
I gotta
Don't
hold
move it. Don't move it.
Put one screw in it.
You like where it's at in the
Yep.
bottom too?
I do.
Oh, I do too.
Put one in the bottom, in the middle. Yep, right there. I want you to put it. Oh yeah.
You go straight up. There you go.
Oh, let me calm down. Right there, I'm good.
Hold it right there.
I'm beautiful.
You know you got it right here in the middle. If you want to just middle
Very
it.
cool guy.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, here you go.
All the way up underneath too. We're up under the gutter.
Cool.
Way further than they were, I think.
Right. That's a good thing. Then when we bring our fishing board down there.